we're going to show you how to do partial and a full volume. For partial volume, we're going to add a piece of a 2 clip and another piece of a 2 clip on the other side. So 1 2 clip on one side and 1 2 clip on the other. With Kayla's, we are going to section her hair off, and again, we are going to do it in a diagonal parting, and we are going to make sure that we really fill in the sides, because a lot of times with short hair clients, they want their hair to be really full, and so we're going to fill in her sides, making sure we do it high enough to where it really fills in those sides. As you can see, it gives her a really good amount of fullness. We want to just put it in the perfect spot to fill in her sides. And it's so easy, and it's crazy how much it adds just filling in a little bit. So you want to make sure that it's high enough in the front that you're really giving her that fullness that she wants. Like, as you can see, it adds just a little bit of length to that side that needed it, but that is all you need for the partial volume. Like, literally 2 pieces, and it adds so much, and I feel like it helps keep the curl, and it helps hold, and it gives it so much volume. So if I wanted to add full volume to her, I give her even a little bit more fullness, a little bit more texture, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the other piece to the back. So just in the back, I would take a section not too low, probably almost exactly in the middle, and I would comb that middle clip in first, and then the other 2, and then now she has even more volume in the back as well. So that is 3 pieces, and that would be the full volume set of coconut cream. As you can see, it's really nice and really full and has so much volume and so much body.